Welcome! Let us learn how to combine multiple plots into dashboards in Python. By the end, you will be able to visualize different data and arrange them together for insights. No experience needed, we will start from scratch. Let us import the necessary packages. Warnings will be hidden to keep things clear. Pandas will help us with data. Matplotlib will help us make plots. This special command makes sure the charts display right here as you run each cell. What is a dashboard? A dashboard is a collection of plots shown together, making it easy to compare and explore data at once. We will build simple dashboards step by step in this lesson. It is time to load some real data. We will use a dataset about monthly airline passengers. This code downloads the airline passenger numbers. The data is a time series. We print the shape, so you can see the number of rows and columns. Then you see the first 5 rows to get a feel for the format. Now let us visualize our data using a time series line chart. This shows how the number of passengers changes over time. We use the month column for the x-axis and passengers for the y-axis. The title and labels make it easier to understand. Months are rotated so we can read them. A legend helps if we add more lines later. This keeps the plot neat. Tight layout fixes overlapping text. We display the plot to see the trend. Why combine plots? Seeing multiple plots side by side helps compare patterns, find trends, and tell a bigger story with data. Dashboards make big data easy to explore. Let us build our first dashboard layout, 2 plots next to each other. We make the canvas wider to fit 2 plots. This makes the first area ready. The first plot is like before but is on the left side now. It shows the trend over time. We give labels and rotate the months again. Now set up the second area. The second plot shows a histogram. This tells us which passenger counts happen most. Bins mean how many groups to split the values into. A title and label explain what we see. This fixes spacing. We display both plots as one dashboard. Dashboards can use grids of plots, not just one row. Here we arrange 2 as stacked rows. This sets up the first, top, plot. The trend is now in red. It has a custom title. Now another plot below. A box plot gives us a view of spread and outliers. The title tells us the subject. The axis label is for clarity. Tight layout means no wasted space. Both plots appear one above the other. Now let us make a dashboard with 4 plots in a grid. This makes a 2 by 2 layout. The top left shows the basic time series. It uses a new color and its own label. Top right is a histogram of passengers. We use a different color to keep them easy to tell apart. Bottom left is a box plot for quick statistics. This gives us a sense of spread. Bottom right is a moving average plot, showing smooth trend over 12 months. This helps spot patterns that may not jump out otherwise. We arrange all 4 plots, then display the grid. Try making your own dashboard layout using this approach. Let us put a big overall title and keep each subplot labeled. This makes your dashboard look organized and professional. We set a main title at the top. The first plot, top left, is the monthly trend. The color helps it stand out. Histogram goes top right as before. Labels show what each plot means. The scatter plot shows how points are spread out in time. The dots reveal the raw values with a simple shape and color. The last panel shows the change between months, called difference or delta. This is helpful to spot big jumps or drops. We make sure all fit neatly under the main title. Your dashboard is now clearer. Plots can overlap each other if you add many. Tight layout is your friend here. This code makes sure everything fits nicely. We set up axes to have no extra label clutter. Main dashboard title goes on top. First plot is the regular trend. Next is a simple histogram. Bottom left shows the box plot again. Last is a shorter average for faster moving changes. Tight layout plus the rectangle argument keeps the main title readable. Now your dashboard is tidy. What if you want different data together? You can mix entirely separate datasets in one dashboard, such as weather and passengers. Here we will use a second dataset. This set is daily minimum temperatures, which we can compare with airline passengers. It downloads the temperature data just like before. We show the shape to check that it worked. The first few rows let you see the format. Let us combine plots from different datasets in one dashboard. Here, we show airline passengers on the left and daily minimum temperatures on the right. Separate titles and labels make each plot easy to read. We rotate the x-axis for both for clarity. On the right, we only show the first year, to keep it simple and readable. A main title ties the dashboard together. Spacing is handled automatically. This is a quick way to compare unrelated data on one screen. Pick any two datasets you like and build your own dashboard like this. Always label your lines and make reading plots easy for others. Here we add a legend to tell the user what each line means. A rolling average line is added, using a dashed style. The grid lines make exact values easier to figure out. Use these tools often when making dashboards for friends or work. Let us practice. You tell the code how many plots to show, up to 4. Type a number from 1 to 4 when asked. Too small or too big. The code will warn you. Otherwise, it makes a dashboard with that many plots side by side. The kind of plot depends on the number you choose. Try this a few times to see how the layout changes. Try this, a vertical dashboard where each row has a different plot. The first shows a line, next a histogram of counts, last a box plot sideways. Each plot is easy to see and compare thanks to separate rows. Changing the figure size can help fit all rows nicely. You can use annotations to point out moments or values people should notice. Here we mark the highest passenger month in the data. This trick is great for reports and to tell a story with visuals. If your charts do not display, you may have forgotten to show them. Always call plt.show at the end of your plotting section. This command makes the chart pop up in your notebook. You can save any dashboard or plot as a picture on your computer. Here we create a 2-panel dashboard and save it to a file. This is helpful for reports, homework, or sharing with others. Recap: what did we learn? We saw how to load real-world data, make different plots, arrange plots as side-by-side or grids, combine different datasets, label, annotate, and save dashboards. With these skills, you can tell many data stories. Ready for more? Try creating your own dashboards with other datasets. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. Thank you for learning with us.